Recently, I saw this green tree snake sunbathing on my driveway. After seeing the snake, I went back into my house, and about 40 minutes later, I heard bird alarm calls. So I naturally thought it was the snake, because when birds alarm call in my garden, it usually means they've found a snake. But when I went outside and looked up into the bungalow palm tree, it was a beautiful barn owl sleeping in amongst the foliage. Remember to subscribe, and if you liked this video, give it the thumbs up.